Us into the weather, right? Unfortunately,
hyped, but
that
now,
nor'easter.
Are you saying I should do my job now, Sandra?
Kind of, sorta.
Sandra's trying to get me back on the rails. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. Sandra's going to do it. Yeah, we got a nor'easter to talk about. Today's weather headline was the really cold start to the day, but some blue sky peeked through the sunshine. I think partly cloudy is probably what I'm a little more comfortable describing this as. We'll still see a little sunshine as our temperatures recover from such a cold start to the morning. We're close to 60 in the city right now. In the village, we're at 60 degrees, just under that for Coney Island at 61 on Staten Island and New Dorp, 60 up near the Whitestone Bridge, West Orange, Kearney, Newark, all at 61. So it is feeling better than it was this morning, but still crisp, still cool, and we're still in the 50s north of New York City. But that is huge improvement from the sub-freezing temperatures that we started with. Our highs today don't climb a whole lot from here. We'll end up in the low 60s. It is going to continue to feel cool. It's still sweater weather all day long, but I think it's noticeably more comfortable than yesterday, not just because we get 3 or 4 more degrees, but because the breezy wind isn't as noticeable. So the wind is backing off. The sky is mostly sunny to partly cloudy. We do have some clouds starting to sweep back in from the Atlantic, just given the direction of the airflow from the high pressure that's still in control of forecast for today. But this is what we're watching here. This is the direction that area of low pressure is coming from, and that's what brings us the messy weather for the second half of the weekend. Coastal flood watches already in effect for Sunday and Monday. We also have a high wind watch for Sunday for the county shaded in this brown orangey color here. That's all due to that coastal low that we expect to impact the area with the rain, with the wind, with the coastal flooding and beach erosion, mainly Sunday night and Monday. So let's time this out. Today, it's just the partly cloudy skies this afternoon. It's the highs in the low 60s, the light breeze, the cool conditions. So you'll want to keep the jackets close by, especially if you have Friday night plans. We'll drop it back into the 50s shortly after sunset. Clouds will increase overnight into tomorrow morning. And Saturday is still looking like the better half of the weekend, but it's not perfect. Tomorrow will be mostly cloudy right from the get-go with some damp and drizzly conditions. The showers that we expect tomorrow aren't consistent. They're not widespread, but Futurecast models are just picking up on a general damp feel to your Saturday. By Saturday night, some of those showers could start to become steadier as we await for that coastal low to actually show up. Right now, there are still some question marks on the exact track of this area of low pressure, and we're talking 50 miles can make a big difference in the rainfall intensity and the timing. Right now, this particular model shows the rainfall picking up as we head toward the second half of Sunday. So it might start a little quieter, a little calmer Sunday morning and early afternoon, but by Sunday night, it's wet and it's windy. And the gusty wind, the heavy rain, and the coastal flooding continues into Monday morning. So Monday morning's commute right now looking pretty tough. We'll stick with the unsettled, breezy, and showery conditions Tuesday, and then this area of low pressure exits, and we're back to better weather on Wednesday. So looking at the storm impacts, right now it looks like conditions deteriorate late Sunday with the worst of the wind Sunday night into Monday. Right now a general 1 to 2 inches south and east of the city. We could see a little bit more than that. Gusts to 60 miles per hour, especially at the coast, can lead to wind-related damage and power outages. It also can lead to quite a bit of coastal flooding, something that we're watching to be a major impact as we move into Sunday night and Monday. As for today, though, it's just the mix of sun and clouds. It's the pleasantly cool conditions. Highs in the low 60s, not quite as breezy. We get those increasing clouds tonight, not quite as cold as